Okay, today's opinion paragraph is about what you think the best lunch is. Okay, so you can choose to think your favorite thing to have at school for lunch, or your favorite thing to pack for lunch, or you can just close your eyes and ask yourself, what do I want to eat right now for lunch? Okay, so once you have an idea in mind of what you think the best lunch is, then you are ready to start your opinion paragraph. Okay, I need you guys to help me. Do you remember how we start the opinion paragraph? Can you think of how we begin? In my opinion, I think the best lunch is blank. Okay, so that's what we're going to write down. In my opinion, comma, I think, because an opinion isn't something that's true for everybody. It's got our own thinking, our own feelings. In my opinion, comma, I think, when we use our topic, the best lunch is blank. Okay? So put your idea of what the best lunch is and end that thinking with a period. Okay, remember a period comes at the end of our thoughts. Or at the end of a sentence, because the sentence is a complete thought. Okay? So, in my opinion, I think the best lunch is blank. Period. Do you remember how we slow down and share our details? How do we start the first detail sentence? I feel. We're talking about our thoughts and feelings, so we're going to say, I feel this way because. I feel this way because blank. Okay, and if you need more space, you can go on to the back. I feel this way because blank. Now, should you be leaving blank lines here? No, remember these blank lines are where you share your thoughts. Okay? Because I don't have your opinion. I only have my opinion. You need to tell me what your opinion is. So that's what we put in those blank spots. And maybe you're already onto the back page. I feel this way because. Now we want to share a second detail. I feel this way because, and now, I also think this because. I also. Also means in addition. Okay, I also think this because, and you can share another reason. Okay, and remember when you are sharing your reasons, you are trying to make other people think, oh, you know what, they've got a pretty good opinion. Maybe I should think a little bit more like them. You want to be convincing, okay? So I also think this because blank. And we finish by saying, that is why I think. And remember, we are not telling other people what to think. We are just sharing our thinking and hoping that they begin to agree with us. That is why I think the best lunch is blank. And we end with a period. And that should be able to be a complete paragraph about what you think the best lunch is. And of course you can go back to the first page and show a picture of that favorite best lunch in the picture of the lunchbox right there. Okay? Have fun writing. Can't wait to read it.